In this excerpt from the 5-hour video Pool's Biggest Secrets Revealed 3 Pattern Play, I'm going to show you how to make bank shots when it looks like there is no path to the pocket. So if you're ready, let's get started. In this situation, I need to play shape for the 8 ball around here, but I'm at an awkward angle on the 12 ball. If I just draw it back to the side rail, the cue ball will be heading away from my position area. But now I'll show you how to draw back to this area, and this is an unusual shot, and it takes a great deal of practice. I'm going to power draw the 12 ball, and at the same time I'm going to partially jump the cue ball. And by doing this, when the cue ball lands on the table, it's going to change direction and head down to this area for shape on the 8 ball. Sometimes you'll come across a shot like this where it doesn't look like there's a way to bank the ball in. For instance, here I'm on the 8 ball and it really doesn't look like there's a path for the bank shot in the side pocket. But when the ball you're banking is within 2 diamonds of the pocket, you still may be able to bank it in. And here's how you check. Walk over to the pocket you want to bank the ball into and place your cue along the side of the pocket and aim it toward the side rail. You're checking to see if there's enough room for a ball to travel to the pocket without hitting the obstacle balls. And in this case, there's barely enough room for the ball to bank. So this becomes my aiming point on the rail. And when I shoot the 8, I'll be putting right hand spin on the cue ball. The right hand spin transfers left spin to the 8 ball, and left spin in this case would be reverse spin, which will straighten out the 8 ball's path. So you first want to hold the cue from the side pocket to the rail just to make sure there's enough room for the 8 ball to pass. And now I'm going to have to hit the rail pretty close to where my tip is here. And when the 8 ball hits this rail, I want it to have left spin, which in this case would be reverse spin. This will straighten out the 8 ball and allow it to head toward the side pocket. So in order to transfer left spin to the 8 ball, I need to put right spin on the cue ball. So when the cue ball strikes the 8 ball, the 2 balls act as gears. So the right spin on the cue ball transfers left spin to the 8 ball. And you don't want to shoot this shot too hard. You want the spin on the 8 to grab the rail and straighten it out. And here's a similar shot. I need to bank the 8 into the corner, but there doesn't seem to be a path. So once again, I hold my cue from the pocket to the rail to see if there is a path for my object ball. And in this case, it appears there is. So in this shot, I'm going to be using center left and just aim toward this spot on the rail. And in this last example, I can tell right away there's plenty of room for a bank shot, even though it appears there are balls in the way. I'm just going to shoot toward this spot on the rail with left hand spin.